Hi everyone, this is a video about this Manfrotto ball head. They call it MH494-BH mini ball head, and this mini ball head can handle up to 8 kilograms, and it comes with 2 years of warranty, and you can have an additional 8 years warranty if you buy it from the Manfrotto. And the reason that I have made this video is that normally this item's price, it varies from £70 up to £79.99 pounds. But if you go down to the manfrotto.com, now they have it for £52, and for the price of £52 is a very good bargain, and I fully recommend this. And this item, as it says, it has Arca Swiss compatible head, and the top and 200 PL Pro plate. That Pro is because is Arca Swiss compatible with RC2 as well. And then here we have the integrated friction control to perfectly balance your equipment, and this is the independent friction control in the center. There is a knob within a knob, and then you have another knob here that is controlling the base for 360 rotation, and here it shows the auto lubricant ball head for a smooth framing, and that auto lubrication is that red bit there. I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more. This is the item itself. It's very simple, very compact, and it has these two knobs, one within another, and this is the main one, is for the main ball head, and then this one is for independent friction. And now, as you see, there is a little bit of friction there, and if you want to lock it, you have to lock this all the way down, and now this is solid as a rock, and it can handle 8 kilograms easily. And it has the base 360 rotation at the base, independent, than the knob for the ball head. And I show you in another item now why is independent. But unfortunately we don't have any sort of degrees or precise movement of this by just numbering this base, but still is good idea to have independent. And if you tighten this is very hard now, you cannot move it at all, and if you loosen it a little bit, still there is a movement, smooth movement here. That is really good to have for the £52, but maybe not for £79.99. That's why I'm recommending to go on the Manfrotto site and purchase this item. They call this aluminium and magnesium. That is, I think, is this color, and that's really not much to say about this. And if you just loosen this top, you can see self lubricant. This is just a plastic within this holding of this ball that is just helps to avoid lubricant for just a smooth movement. But this one, it can go up to 90 degrees and all the way around. It's really handy, so by all means I recommend this. And this independent movement from this knob, if some of my viewers know, I have made a video about this miniature ball head, and this is the model number. MH492 that is really good. It can accept up to 6 kilograms of weight, and it has only one knob here, and if you loosen that, it loosens the top and the 360 rotation button and the bottom of this at the center. So that is the independent knob that we have just to assist with the base rotation without moving the head or loosening the head for that matter. And then here we have the new quick release plate design. The other one, if you remember, it was the pin, a gold pin with a black plastic head that you push it down and then you could release your plate, and as soon as you would just press this down, the plate would be in place. But now for both of these actions you need to push and turn this knob in order to put it in place, and is Arca Swiss compatible. And also you can have the normal plates of Manfrottos as well, but there is a little bit of a scratch here. If you press this a little bit hard to put it in place, it would scratch this, but it doesn't matter. But this removable plate, it has plastic, 2 ring of plastic here, I mean the bar sort of plastic, just to save your camera from, you know, damaging it. Metal to metal is really nice. And this is the, I think is normal Manfrotto screws, but the base is the larger screws that is unique to Manfrotto, the base screws. Anyhow, this is supposed to be a short video about this Manfrotto 494 mini ball head that can handle 8 kilograms, and I fully recommend this, as I mentioned before, for the price of £52, that if you go down to manfrotto.com you can now purchase it for that price. Otherwise, any other places, they are selling this above £60 minimum and over 70 up to £79.99. I hope you find this video helpful, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.